Hello students, welcome in maths class. Students, we were doing a topic GP of chapter sequence and series, and we have completed its 4 objectives, that is, first, to check the series for GP or not. Second, to find the particular term using general term formula. Third, we have done to find the number of terms using general term formula. Then we have completed the 5th objective, that is to find the nth term from the end. Today we are going to start with some important question based on the above 3 types. Now let's start with the first question. That is, when 3 consecutive terms of GP are given, we have to find the value of the variable, or we have to find some term. For example, if x, 2x plus 2, 3x plus 3 are in GP, find x and the 4th term. Now here, these 3 consecutive terms of GP are given, so consider it as first term, second term and third term. Now, these terms are in GP, so their common ratio should be same. Second term divided by first term must be equal to third term divided by second term. Now put their values. 2x plus 2 upon x is equal to 3x plus 3 upon 2x plus 2. Now here terms are in fraction, so do the cross multiplication like this. Here simplification is also possible, so take 3 common, that is x plus 1, then take 2 common, x plus 1, these two terms are cancelled, then do the cross multiply. So here 2 into 2x plus 2 is equal to 3x. Now when you open the brackets, you will get 4x plus 4 is equal to 3x. Now collect like terms. We get 4x minus 3x is equal to minus 4. From here we will get the value of x, that is equal to minus 4. When you put the value of x in the given terms, you will get the 3 terms, that is minus 4 and 2 into minus 4 plus 2, that is minus 8 plus 2 is minus 6. Then 3 into minus 4, that is minus 12 plus 3 is minus 9. In this way, we get the first 3 terms of the GP. Now, we have to find the 4th term of the GP. T1 is minus 4, that is the value of A. Second term is minus 6. So, from here we can find the common ratio, that is second term divided by first term. So, minus 6 divided by minus 4, after cutting we are left with 3 by 2. Now, general term formula is Tn is equal to A multiply R raised to power n minus 1. Put the value of n, A and R. We get T4 is equal to minus 4 multiply 3 by 2 raised to power 3. Now on solving this cube, that is 3 cube is 27 and 2 cube is 8. So after cutting we are left with minus 27 upon 2. So 4th term is minus 13.5. In this way we can find the term of the GP. Now let's take another important question. When 2 terms of GP are given and we have to find the particular term, or we have to find the GP. For example, find the 10th term of GP whose third term is 24 and 6th term is 192. Now here 2 things are given, third term is given and 6th term is given, and we have to find the 10th term. Now, let's start with, let A is the first term, R is the common ratio. So general term formula is A multiply R raised to power n minus 1. Now third term is given, so T3 is equal to 24. When you apply the formula for T3, you will get AR raised to power 3 minus 1. That is, AR square is equal to 24. That is the first equation. Similarly, for the sixth term, T6 is equal to 192. On applying the formula, we get A into R raised to power 6 minus 1. That is, A R raised to power 5 is equal to 192. Second equation. Now we are having two equations, but they are in the form of multiplication. So here we will divide second term by first term. So we get AR raised to power 5 upon AR square is equal to 192 upon 24. Now here A is cutting with A. Here two terms are having same base and they are in divide. So power should be subtracted. R raised to power 5 minus 2. On the right side, after cutting, we are left with 8. So from here, R cube is equal to 8. Now 8 can be written as 2 raised to power 3. 2 is multiplied 3 times. Now we are having two terms equal with the same powers. So their bases must be equal. From here we will get the value of R, that is 2. Now put the value of R in any one of the equation to get the value of A. Put R is equal to 2 in equation 1. We get A into 2 square is equal to 24. Here 2 square shifted on right hand side, it will be divide. 24 divided by 4, so it is 6. Now we are having a value of A and R, so we can easily find the 10th term. 10th term formula is A multiply R raised to power 10 minus 1, that is 9. So put the value, we get 6 into 2 raised to power 9. When 2 is multiplied 9 times, we will get 512. So 6 into 512 is 3072. 10th term is 3072. Now next question is there, we have to find the GP. So GP is A, AR, AR square and so on. Put their values, we get 6. Then 6 into 2, that is 12. 6 into 2 square, that is 24. Therefore GP series is 6, 12, 24 and so on. Now students, you are able to solve sum related to these important types of GP. Before starting the worksheet given in SNAP homework, you must go through the links guided in the SNAP homework. Rest we will continue in our next class. Thank you.